The Borsa Istanbul is Turkey's sole exchange entity, bringing together the former Istanbul Stock Exchange, the Istanbul Gold Exchange and the Derivatives Exchange of Turkey under one roof. Its slogan is "Worth Investing." Borsa Istanbul was founded in 1866 as the Dersaadet Securities Exchange. Borsa Istanbul's shareholders include the Turkish government with 49%, 41% IMKB, 5% VOB, 4% IMKB members, 1% IMKB brokers and 0.3% IAB members. All of the government's shares are expected to be put up for sale. ISE is home to 320 national companies and 411 total listings. The indices are ISE National All Shares Index, ISE National 30, ISE National 50, ISE National 100 and sector and subsector indices. The stocks are denominated in Turkish lira. Short selling is not banned when it comes to the BIST 30 index components, the top 30 most traded stocks on the Istanbul Exchange, but the uptick rule is in place, meaning you can only send a short sell order at one level above the last effective price on the trading board. Short sellers are generally disliked by the Turkish government, which is the de facto dominant participant in all of Turkey's asset markets. It penalised several brokerage firms that were exempt from the uptick regulation in July 2020. They were permitted to short shares on the Borsa Istanbul thanks to the exemptions, and they did so with zeal. Providing such exemptions to a few participants on a regulated market, on the other hand, looks odd. According to the International Monetary Fund, Turkey's economy is classified as an emerging market economy. According to the CIA World Factbook, Turkey is one of the world's developed countries. Economists and political scientists classify Turkey as one of the world's newly industrialized countries. Turkey has the world's 20th highest nominal GDP and 11th biggest PPP GDP, with a population of 83.4 million as of 2021. Agriculture, textiles, motor cars, transportation equipment, building materials, consumer electronics and home appliances are among the country's top exports. The economic and social components of Turkey's economy have seen significant changes during the last 20 years. Since 2000, there has been a rise in employment and income. Among the country's major industrial conglomerates are Koç Holdings, Sabank Holding, Anadolu Group, Exatbas Holding and Zorlu Holding, which operate in a variety of industries. In 2014, the Forbes Global 2000 list included 12 Turkish firms. The banking business has the most firms on the list with 5, followed by the telecommunications business, which has 2. There are also 2 conglomerates having 1 company each in the transportation and beverage industries. As of 2016, Turkey's largest trading partners include Germany, Russia and the United Kingdom, as well as the United Arab Emirates, Iraq, Italy and China, with several of them ranking first in both export and import. The automobile industry accounts for a substantial portion of Turkey's commerce, with autos accounting for $13.2 billion in exports. Gold, delivery trucks, auto components and jewellery are the country's other top exports, at $6.96 billion, $5.04 billion, $4.64 billion and $3.39 billion respectively. Turkey is also a source of FDI in Central and Eastern Europe and the Commonwealth of Independent States, with more than $1.5 billion invested. Turkey's Black Sea neighbours, Bulgaria and Romania, have received 32% of the investment, mostly in the natural resources and construction sectors. Turkish corporations also have significant FDI holdings in Poland, estimated to be worth over $100 million. Construction and contracting firms such as Enka and Tekfen have played a key role in the economy of the country. Non-residents' gains are usually not taxed in Turkey unless the non-resident has a permanent establishment or a permanent representation in Turkey, and the income can be traced back to them. Capital gains generated from the sale of shares by a non-resident are subject to a special tax regime. Information on Turkish markets is wide and available. The European Union's Economic Sentiment Indicators and the Turkish Statistical Institute website, Short-Term Indicators, will be a great resource for research on Turkish stocks. First, with more than 100 regions covered, you can learn more with the Exotic Markets book available on Amazon. Second, you can explore sector and industry intelligence for different countries by going to pervasives.com. If you have an issue in relation to accounting and tax with foreign stocks, you can contact us by going to our website.